The powerful earthquake in Myanmar on March 28 had its source in central Myanmar, about 20 kilometers from Mandalay, the country's second largest city. Mandalay, located on the east bank of Irrawaddy River, is close to one of the most seismically active fault in region, called the Sejing Fault, named after a town not far from Mandalay on the river's opposite side. The earthquake's magnitude was 7.7, struck around 12:50 p.m. Local time, following by several strong aftershocks, including one of the magnitude 6.4, which occurred 11 minutes after the major events. What effect did the earthquake have? The quake were very devastating. They affect the entire region, left thousands of people dead, and destroyed many homes. The damage zone extended to Bangkok and the capital of neighboring Thailand, which is about 1,000 kilometers away from earthquake's epicenter. However, the damage in Bangkok was minimal, confined to the complete collapse of 33-story high-rise under construction and causing water from a swimming pool on the top of another high-rise building to overflow. However, these incidents were given much hype because of the city's place on the global tourism circuit. The outpouring of the water from the roof to pool was due to seismic seeches or, or oscillations in the water triggered by the patches of seismic waves through the area. Even though the building was located far from earthquake source, slowly long period seismic waves can cause the top flood to so many and amplify the seeches as observed in these cases. Damages predict model of the US Geological Survey estimated that the local death toll on region could reach up to 10,000. Mandalay itself is a home of over 1.5 million people and was hit the hardest, with many buildings including pagoda, mosque and bridges either partially damaged or completely collapsed. A review of the damage pattern reveals that much of the devastation was concentrated in the southern area of Saging Fault because this region is stirring on a thick pile of alluvium deposits of the Irrawaddy, which amplifies the seismic energy as compared to northern part of the fault. This also explains why China southwest Yamuna province, which is the north of the fault, escaped earthquake in damaged. The depth to the source of 2025 earthquake on the Saging Fault was only 10 km, which is another contributing factor of the heavy damage and a large fault area where the earthquake